Imagine this. You wake up one morning and the world you knew is gone. No traffic outside, no laughter, only silence. And then distant screams. Today, on Beyond the Sky, we're diving into a chilling question. What would really happen if a zombie virus spread across the entire world? Stay until the end, and don't forget to subscribe to Beyond the Sky, because what you're about to hear might just change the way you look at our fragile world forever. It always starts quietly, a mystery illness in some forgotten corner of the world, a strange fever, aggressive behavior, doctors baffled. At first, the media calls it just another virus. Politicians promise everything is under control. But then, a hospital nurse is attacked by her own patient. Security cameras show him biting her, refusing to let go, his eyes empty, his body unnaturally strong. The footage leaks online. People laugh, call it fake, until it starts happening everywhere. One bite, one scratch, one mistake, and the infection spreads. Within days, cities become war zones. Streets are filled with burning cars, abandoned shopping bags, and echoes of desperate people running for their lives. Picture this. You're stuck in traffic. People leave their cars running. You lock your doors, heart pounding. In the rearview mirror, you see them coming, not walking, charging, hungry. Police shoot, but bullets don't stop them unless they hit the head. Panic spreads faster than the virus. Governments declare martial law. Borders slam shut. Airports close. But the infection is already everywhere. From New York to Tokyo, London to Delhi. The world falls in less than 2 weeks. This is where survival begins. Electricity fails. Cities go dark. Water stops flowing. Supermarkets are stripped bare. Now imagine yourself here. You're searching for food in an abandoned store. Every step echoes. Then you hear it. The dragging footstep, the low growl, and you realize you're not alone. Survivor groups form, but not all of them can be trusted. Some build communities protecting each other. Others hunt the weak for supplies. Military strongholds become humanity's last hope. Scientists work day and night for a cure, but test after test fails. The virus mutates, stronger, faster, smarter, and now whispers spread of airborne infection. Months turn into years. Skyscrapers crumble. Nature takes back the cities. Wolves roam highways. Vines cover broken billboards. Children grow up never knowing electricity, Wi-Fi, or school. To them, survival is normal. To them, zombies aren't monsters. They're reality. Rumors of safe zones spread. Maybe hidden islands, mountain fortresses, underground bunkers. Some people risk everything to reach them. Most never return. And you keep moving, because stopping means death. So, what happens if a zombie virus spreads across the world? Maybe humanity fights back and rebuilds, or maybe we vanish, and the planet reclaims what was once hers. But one thing is certain, our world would never be the same again. This was Beyond the Sky. If you enjoyed this dark journey, hit subscribe and join us as we explore the terrifying, the impossible, and the unknown. Until next time, stay safe, stay curious, and always keep looking beyond the sky.